gear away. Seriously.
My hand gaff going? My fucking hand gaff.
Take her out of gear, take her out of gear.
Yeah, it's out of gear. Dave, hand gaff. Dave, I'll gaff if you want. Can you drive?
If I lose it, I have to lose.
Don't worry about it.
Dave, let Jacko do the hand.
Yeah, here, I'll gaff, I'll get it. Let me. It's all good now. Dave, no, it's out of gear. You're pulling him in though, you got no trouble. Now you'll be right, just play. You got a fish on lines, you got a fish. It's probably a little tuna. Just keep playing, just stay, we're all good. No, he's on. You know how to work, fish around the boat lines in circles? Yeah, you can bring this up. Just go where he needs to go, lead his head, circles. He might need to do a run again, so be wary of that. This fish is coming in. It's coming in. Woo, Lawrence is on!
Oh, it's fuck all bad.
Yeah. It's still flashing, is it flashing red light?
Yeah, it's red light.
Yeah. Oh, it's a Mackie. Oh, fuck, Lawrence worked this.
How big?
It's like today's one. It's like Dave, mate. Yeah, just work him around, do a couple more laps. So he might go again. Again, do exactly that again, Lawrence. Oh my god, you've got him good. He's hooked well, Lawrence. Okay, just hold him up high, a bit high. Hold him up. Oh, I missed the gaff is broken. That's why it come off. Okay, you need, get your glove, Dave, get your gloves on. Get your gloves. Yep. Yeah, you film this shit. Dave, you keep filming. Okay, you ready?
I'm moving.
Fucking smart it! There he is! He's got your